Oh, hello. My name is Paul. We are standing in an oliebollenkraam, which is a typical Dutch product, and we sell it every year between October till the end of December. And especially the end of the year, the last week of the year, a lot of people eat, like you say, krentenbollen or oliebollen, or with apple, or we have also with custard, almond, all kinds of variations we have with the oliebol. It's all sweet, and we are standing here now for about more than 30 years.
Wow. So what is your best-selling product?
The best-selling product is always the normal oliebol, or the oliebol with raisins and currants. They are the best-selling products.
So what's the location?
We are standing here in Amstelveen on the mall Groenhof. You got all kinds of shops here, and I'm standing right over the Blom kiosk Jonas, and also with Amstelveen. That's my location for more than 30 years already.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You buy DutchYardeezTV here. I'm gonna try something. All right.
Yeah. You want one with raisins, or you want the plain one?
I want one with chocolate.
Chocolate? Yeah, I got here the Nutella. You want to try that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, enjoy.
Thank you. You buy Raga here. You see me all hoodie up because it's November going into December and it's super cold. You know what I mean? So I'm about to try your Nutella. Krentenbol. On your mark, get set. You even got my gloves on, see?
But you already think it's cold today?
Yeah.
No.
It's not cold yet?
No, last week it was cold. Then was around 4 degrees.
4 degrees?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Today we are lucky.
Guys, this tastes amazing. I see what's going on.
Yeah.
Nutella's on top.
Yeah, and the Nutella is also inside.
And Nutella's also inside. First time I taste something like this.
Oh, very good.
And on beneath you have
Powdered sugar.
powder sugar. You don't know, but now you come to Amstelveen, you gotta come here and check out Krentenbollen Veers gebakken.
Every day.
Every day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Yeah guys, so you can see it's going down at oliebollenkraam. Hi. How does it taste?
Very, very good. Yeah.
Can you tell me how often you guys come at oliebollenkraam?
It's a New Year. We just eat
It's
a lot of oliebollen.
It's very delicious. It tastes good. And we out of school, and then we have
oliebol. We love it.
a snack out of school. It's very good.
It's very good.
Yeah.
I like it too. I just tried one and it's amazing. My first time.
Do you film it for YouTube?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
what's your name on YouTube?
DutchYardeezTV.
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 Okay, we just gonna look on your YouTube channel.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
Yes.
Any shout outs you want to do before I leave?
Yes. No.
Okay.
Shout out to you.
Thank you. See you later guys.
Bye.
Yeah guys, check it out, I'm out here. It's a huge. Let me zoom so I can see what's going on. Zoom out. You know what I mean? Huge place. Try going inside and see what's going on. You heard? A GoPro here, battery dead. You don't know what time it is already. So the girl inside was explaining me that this building is where lawyers work out of. Also, here is where conference meetings is held. You check it out. So big up to her. She said I can't film inside, so and I'd film inside, so I just delete the footage. You know what I mean? Just to be respectful. You know what I mean? So we trotting over here now. Big up to LG. Life is good in Amstelveen. Yeah, we just trotting, creating content for you guys. Appreciate all of you for rocking with your boy. Adventures of Raga, aka DutchYardeezTV. Leaving comments, likes, whoever sharing. You know what I mean? Appreciate love it very much. So let me go over here, go inside and see what's going on and thing. Yeah, Amstelveen, Netherlands. Yeah guys, so come to find out, you see, BDO stands for, I don't know, but it's an accountant company. And LG, right, you see the sign earlier. So the lady, because I can't film inside, the lady say, but come to find out, this is the head office. This is LG head office for Luxembourg, Belgium, and Netherlands. In Amstelveen, Netherlands. This is LG head office for Belgium, Luxembourg, and Netherlands. Big things popping. Let me walk over here and see what else we got going on. I think I'm gonna head back home soon. Super cold, man. Panama was saying yesterday was 4 degrees. Okay. Got here Gamma. Okay. Gamma. Okay. I'm gonna turn off my camera. Seems like you can walk here, so I'm gonna walk here. You know what I mean? Cause I want to bust a leak too. All right. Bye bye.